In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods 4 to Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your AirPods in conjunction with a Bluetooth compatible device is extremely simple. You can connect them to iOS devices, so an iPhone, an iPad. You can also connect them to Android. You can connect them to a MacBook and even a Windows PC. As long as the device that you are trying to connect them to supports Bluetooth audio devices, you will be able to use any model of AirPods, including the AirPods 4. So first, for mobile devices, this will be done by enabling Bluetooth. So go into the settings, access the Bluetooth category for either an Android or iOS device, and under Bluetooth, you will be able to make sure that it is on. Now, double tap the front of the case. With the AirPods still inside of the case, double tap the front, and this will prompt them to go into pairing mode. Once pairing mode has been enabled, the light should start blinking, indicating that they are looking for devices to pair with. And as long as you have them in close proximity of your phone, they will appear on the list of available devices. You can choose them from here, and they will be properly paired up. Now, all of the audio being output by either of these devices will be output on the AirPods instead. You can do the exact same thing with a MacBook or a Mac PC. Just go over to the settings, Bluetooth category, enable it, and once again, they will appear on the list of nearby devices once you double tap the button on the front of the case. And finally, for Windows as well, same instructions. So enable Bluetooth, tap add device, and choose them from the list once pairing mode has been enabled. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.